This is true EcoSeal CNC gasketing machine, ready for shipment to Philippine customer. This is just the finished workpiece. This is the control panel. On the touch screen computer, it's Windows with our software. The red marked is the gasketing area. Now do the drawing. After drawing, read the CAD drawing automatically by our software. The advantage of our machine is with the thermal maintenance system. No need air conditioning cabin to hold in the air environmental temperature. Also, the machine is just use the normal tapping water for cleaning. It's high pressure cleaning system, so no need a special chemical liquid for cleaning. This is saving cost and environmental protection. Also, machine is the stainless steel chemical drum is held integrated with the machine. Now demo the running first. And the software can demo the gasketing area and gasketing speed. Now start the gasketing. It's the first flushing and ready for the gasketing. The gasketing speed can be adjusted and the width can be from 5 to 30 mm. The gasketing area maximum can be length 2,300, width 1,250. The finish and automatically cleaning by high pressure water and air. Flushing, so our gasketing nozzle never be clogged. This is a flush. This is a gasketing. It's very average wise, exactly same, even the corner area. It will take around 15 minutes. It will dry. The machine with 6 axes: X, Y, Z, U, V, W. X is the length way, Y is the width way, Z is the up and down of the gasketing head. U is the axis for controlling the gasketing speed and the gasketing width. And the U, V and the W is controlling of the chemical ratio, a servo motor. This is a table, working table. Optional function is we can also supply the table with double automatic exchange table.